Passport, filling it up with stamps. To the camp up on my land, swam the rivers of Japan. She keep on asking for a rack, so I ran, looking back like you can't see who I am. Think my bitch don't know me no more. Cause every time she sad, I can't console her no more. If money buy your love, then love's not enough. So tell me why you on your knees crying to the floor. If you had the chance, would you take the time you need to make it right? The clouds are gray, but would you pay the price to paint them white? Might have a baby on the way. Cause I've been going there raw, it feel better, that real pleasure. I'm not real, I think I never was. I get a rush every time she let me get a touch. I need to feel that, I need to feel that. My garden hasn't been growing, so can you bring that? I keep my head up, a little fed up. They always tell me when my mind is on this LP, I don't exist. Hieroglyphics, pyrotechnics, metaphysics, telekinetics. Put 50K on my credit card. Look for the answers I'm searching, but I ain't getting far. Let's get it on. I'm real to tenant bombs and Lebanon. Decepticon, hit it till my head.
Point me to the road, and I'ma run it bloodhound with my nose. To the money, ain't fucking with these hoes. Getting ducats till I die while my foes busy running, fuck it, marijuana smoke in my stomach. Toasted in public, head in the clouds with my toes in the struggle. Like, who dare to test it? This a few new rules in effect,
yeah.
Bitch,
see,
go.
this a rather spooky action movie. Roll it up and pass it to me, hash and booty. Absolutely smack a groupie, acting bougie. See a creature, add its beauty, need a feature, rather shoot me. Truly, bitches must have them bad genes. The back is coochie. Had to do these rapper tunes to let them know the trap is booming. Past the views in Catholic school is fact, but you in fact assuming. Back to doing, cash pursuing. Posted up like Patrick Ewing. Rap refuser, sad if you would battle for a stack or two. These eloquent, irrelevant sentences show my penmanship. Indefinite boundary, show you the end of it. Don't forget you infested the nest with crevices, allowing birds to fall to their death before they even fly. He and I are not the same. Doctor, please prescribe me something for the pain. Money and machines, those will make it change. If I go tomorrow, I just hope it ain't in vain. But I can't
Point me to the road, and I'ma run it bloodhound with my nose. To the money, ain't fucking with these hoes. Getting ducats till I die while my foes busy running, fuck it, marijuana smoke in my stomach. Toasted in public, head in the clouds with my toes in the struggle. Like, who dare to test this? A few new rules in effect, bitch, go.